Hi there. I saw a short video on LinkedIn last week about embedding PDF documents into Excel workbook. I'll add a link to that video in the description, but I thought it was worth expanding on some of the points discussed in that video because I don't think it covered everything that you can do with this. I've set up a workbook that's similar to the one in the original video. So the method they used was to go to Insert, Object, Adobe Acrobat document, display as icon, and OK. This then opens a requester to choose your file, choose January. Now, for some reason on my PC, it opens the document in Adobe Acrobat Reader. I don't know if that's the same for everybody else. Please let me know in the comments if you get this or if you don't. But if I close that down, you can see that it's embedded the Adobe Acrobat document into the spreadsheet in the same way that was in the original video. I'll start by deleting this file I've just attached and run through the process again. If we go through Insert, Tab, and go to Object, Adobe Acrobat Document, Display as Icon. But this time I'll click the Change Icon button that you can see down here. Now this does let you choose another icon file if you're familiar with that. More importantly, it allows you to change the text that appears underneath the file. If we click OK, insert January again, you get a similar output, but this time you get a more meaningful description on the embedded file. This time we'll use a slightly different method of embedding the file. So go to Insert Object as before, but this time we'll use the Create from File tab on the dialog box. So we'll find our file, we'll put February in this time. We don't want to link to the file, we want to embed it, so and we display it as an icon. It will show this time as February.pdf, but let's change that to just say February report. Okay, and then OK that. And this time it's embedded and it doesn't open the Acrobat Reader either in this instance. If you or your company don't use Adobe Acrobat Reader to view PDFs, you're going to have some problems with the methods I've already described. So I've now uninstalled Acrobat Reader from this PC, rebooted it and reopened the file that we created up to now. If you received this on a PC that doesn't have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed and you try and open one of the embedded files, you're going to get this error, cannot start the source application from this object. Now there's no way around this. The embedding process has identified the file as an Adobe Acrobat Reader, so it's looking for that application when it tries to open the file. Let's start by deleting the files we've already embedded. So let's try inserting a file again, but this time using the package method. We'll go into Insert Objects. Now you'll see from here that the Adobe Acrobat Reader options are gone completely because the application has been uninstalled. So we're looking for a package, object type, display as icon, click OK, file name, we'll go for January, next. Now I'll leave that as January PDF. I found this is really hit and miss as to what it labels things when you put them through. So you might want to have a play around with the creating icon, rather changing icon button, or we play around with these options here. I think it helps if you leave the file suffix on as well. You see this time it's just labeled it as package and you don't get anything else. Sometimes it will pick up the PDF icon, sometimes it won't. Let's delete this attachment and use my preferred method of embedding, which is the create from file. So we go to Insert Object, Create from File. We'll find the file we want. January. We'll display as an icon. And again, you get that because you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed, it's as if it can't work out what file type it is. So it gives you the package icon. What I will do is I have another PDF reader installed called PDFgear, which I can PDFgear, find the PDF launcher. You can see that I can pick up the icon that's in the file there. So if I call it January report, click OK, and there we see we've got it with a PDF icon and it's labeled January. Now, because this has been embedded as a package, when we try and open the embedded file, the system will work out what application it needs to open to view the file. So let's just open that one, and it says January, and it's recognizing it as a PDF document, and because my default PDF viewer is now set to Microsoft Edge, it opens the file in Microsoft Edge. What I'm now going to do is change my default PDF viewer so that you can see that the package option will work with whatever your default is. So I'm just going to go to where I've got the files stored, open with, choose another app, and I'm going to set it to PDFgear always so that PDFgear becomes the default. And then it's opened file, which I tried there. So if I go back there and then try and open the embedded file, only file PDF, open, and it opens in PDFgear. So let's go and add February's file. So we insert object, create from file, February, display as icon. Now, unfortunately, you can see that even though we've changed the default PDF file viewer, it isn't picking up a PDF file type icon. So we'd still have to go and change that. I think the only way you would get around that is saving a PDF copy of an icon somewhere to use. But for now, let's just go to program files. February's report has the PDFgear icon on it. I realised after recording the video that I'd missed out an important piece of information for those of you that have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed. If you want to attach a file as a package so that users who maybe don't have Acrobat Reader installed can open it, you have to use the Create New tab and choose Package rather than the Adobe Acrobat option. If you choose Create from File and attach a PDF, it will automatically be embedded as an Adobe Acrobat file type that the recipient will not be able to open. So I've added the January to June PDF reports into the workbook. I created them from files, displayed as icons, went and changed the icon, and I also changed the caption. Unfortunately, when I've saved the file or tried to realign the icons, it's overwritten the caption. So as with the icons, it's all a bit hit and miss when you're using the package method. But you can, as they're objects, they can be aligned on the page. So I can align them to right and distribute vertically so that you can at least format it correctly. And even given its shortfallings, I would advise using the package method if you're distributing a workbook with embedded files to anyone who may not have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed. Now, the methods I've described for embedding the files work just as well in PowerPoint using the same method, and it also works with Word. Now, historically, I've used this quite a lot with Word for embedding things such as template Excel workbooks into process documents. So have a play around with it, see how it works for you. Thanks for watching.